What's up guys, welcome to Watch the Kettle. Wrist check here. We have a Casio Clear G-Shock Casio, since we're all reviewing G-Shocks today. In front of us we have the Ed Sheeran G-Shock to review. This is reference number 6900 Casio G-Shock, but this is not your regular 6900 G-Shock. This is a Hodinkee and Ed Sheeran inspired G-Shock. So basically, we all know John Mayer has some G-Shock with Hodinkee, and Ed Sheeran decided to do his version, which an interview was released a couple weeks ago. So looking at the packaging here, you could tell yellow already gives it away. It's going to be a yellow G-Shock. We have the Ed Sheeran Subtract album art cover wrapped around this box, which is quite cool, quite interesting. Kind of gives it a little bit of hints to what he's trying to celebrate here. So Ed Sheeran has a Subtract album, which is his highest gross selling album, and I think this G-Shock is released to basically celebrate that album. So going straight into the unboxing, we have paperwork as usual with every Casio G-Shock, regular Casio manual which nobody reads, put that to the side, and we have a letter here basically from Ed Sheeran, actually John Mayer signed down there. So John Mayer just basically introducing the G-Shock, what it's all about, letting us know it's about the Ed Sheeran Subtract album. Nice touch there, something different. And then we have something quite strange here, which says overtime premature wear of the printed graphics that surrounds the watch band hose may occur. This premature wear is an indication of defect in material of structural integrity. Now that is quite strange. It's kind of telling us this watch might actually give up before it's time or start looking a bit tacky. Anyway, we have a tin here, we have the Subtract logo there, Subtract logo as well on the top, quite interesting and quite robust, obviously from Casio. Gaultier, can never go wrong. And here we have it, we have the G-Shock 6900 from Hodinkee by Ed Sheeran. Really lovely yellow, I must say. It kind of really pops up, so if you're wearing like a black shirt, black jeans, put this on and it just pops out. It's really lovely. I actually love the Subtract art cover splash all over it, so it's kind of like black and yellow. Very lovely watch, I would say. It's kind of Marmite, so it's either you love it or you hate it, but yeah, let's see some loom shot, what it looks like. So we have some loom shot here, so you can see quite bright, typical G-Shock. You can't really go wrong with any sort of illumination coming from a Casio Gaultier G-Shock. Yep, let's get back into the video. So I've always found these G-Shocks really big. That's why I usually go for the DW versions. But nevertheless, behind it we have imprinted here, which is quite of a nice touch, Ed Sheeran Hodinkee. So kind of showing you more like a little personal touch to the 6900 G-Shock to let you know it's by Hodinkee and Ed Sheeran. Let's see how this fits on my 7.5 inch wrist. So just like every G-Shock 6900 fits the same. Quite comfortable. Some specification, I would say case size 50mm, thickness 18.7, and it's made of resin, as we know. Also has every standard functionality that comes with the 6900, such as date, time, month, alarm, stopwatch, etc. So let's take this outside and see how it hits sunlight. Quite bright, as you can see. I actually paid £185 for mine and another £50 extra for shipping, and it's still not sold out on the Hodinkee site, which is quite surprising to me. But hey, we buy the watch because we like it, right? Not because of resale value. But thanks everyone for watching. Quick review and unboxing of the Ed Sheeran G-Shock 6900, and I'll see you all on the next one. Thank you.